Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and the topic today is extremely pertinent to the surroundings we have today. Each household is struggling in one way or the other for survival, and each step you take has to be well guarded and well thought of. And I was watching a movie in which I heard about this poem, and the poem spoke about a group of battalion which fought a war, and they didn't survive. But the way they fought the war was recorded in history as the famous Valley of Death. And it requires a lot of courage to do something that you wish to do, with able guidance by the teachers, by the guardians, by the parents, by the coaches. But sometimes, or many a times, do we really have to follow that guidance is the big question. History remembers the defiant, the people who do not obey the set rules. And it requires a lot of courage to create something out of your own will. And it requires a bigger courage to persist it, to fight for it, if you think we don't know what happens in the end. It's a do or a die for many. Many of the healthcare professionals today will succumb to COVID and will not survive. They are still getting up every morning and serving, working, physically getting exhausted, mentally getting drained, but they show up. Is it being foolish to have this courage? Because even a fool can have a courage. But what's bigger than the courage is the honor. Courage can tell you how you do it. Honor tells you why you do it. Ever since I've been a young child, I had a dream there should be a prefix of a doctor in front of my name. And as I started living that dream, I realized this was a matter of great pride for me and my parents. And today, courage can tell you to face things, but it is a matter of honor that everybody is fighting against the deadly pandemic so that the humanity can be served. We are not going out alive. None of us will. But friends, do not stop fighting for the honor. Because at the end, how you fight it is important, but why you fought is more important. May God bless you all. Because as the classical line is, बदलेगा ज़रूर, वक्त ही तो है. Thank you.